Hello guys, I am Aleke Reddy. Today I am discussing with a great Indian leader, Madam Bikaji Kama, also mother of Indian Revolution. Okay, about her is Navsari district of the present day state of Gujarat. Okay, and also August 13th is her death anniversary, and also her contributions is a Paris edition of Bande Matram. Okay, mainly to circulate information about the freedom movement and granted support nationally and also internationally. In 1995, she founded Paris Indian Society, also known as Bharat Mandal. On August 22nd, 1995, she became the first person to hoist Indian flag on foreign soil in Germany. Flag she unfolded was co-designed by Kama and Shyamji Krishna Verma, both co-designed by Madam Bikaji Kama and Shyamji Krishna Verma. This is very important for exams. Patriotic and indomitable spirit is Next, because he was a nationalist at heart and believed that the Britishers had ruthlessly exploited India,